Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent. AlMetalDryerVent.com. Check out my Periscope. It's phenomenal. So, had a really nice house today. Says the dryer's taking in multiple cycles, so I'm not really sure because I looked in the duct. Not really seeing why. But I believe him. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna grab some toys. Let's see what's going on. All right, sweet. Not a bad crawl at all, but it's a big one. Man, good Lord. I finally found it. This better be it. It doesn't feel, so y'all can see down there, that's a duct. Man, it doesn't sound bad at all. Alright, so the main reason I came downstairs into the crawl is because I want to make sure that the dryer vent's run with metal ductwork. If it's run with flex, then my brush will break it to pieces. And then guess who's on the hook? So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna turn the dryer on. We'll go from there. That's all I can do. Only one way to find out, guys. Let's clean the dryer vent. Let's see if I can do this. $964,980. This one we're gonna do the miles per hour. Mid-10s. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that like button for me. It helps more than you know. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. All right, guys, let's clean the dryer vent. Walking back around the side of the house. All this for a camera angle. I walk so many more steps every day for a camera angle, but I don't know, it's fun. Y'all hear that? That's where it meets the elbow and kicks vertical. vertical. One GoPro already died. By the way, I just hit reverse with my drill. It's a one-piece attachment. If you have a sectional piece or a sectional dryer vent cleaner, don't ever hit reverse. It'll come apart. It actually feels pretty good outside. All right, so now we're gonna go inside, pull the machine, and I'll let y'all see behind there. So we're in the laundry. Oh. Well, we have some goodies to clean up. Well, only one way to do it. Let's see. Wow. I don't know. I'm gonna clean this up. And then put the blower in it like normal. We'll be back. All right, so before we go any farther, let's check something here. So, like normal, guys, electric leak blower. Don't use a gas one. You don't want gas fumes in your house, I promise. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it all the way on and then not plug it in. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I'm going to push the machine back to hold it in place. Remember, it's already on. I think that'll hold. And remember, it's already on, and hopefully this thing stays in place. That's better. But that's still the blower. Let that run for another minute or two. Go back inside, plug the machine back up, come and test it. So let's see what kind of connection we got now. No, not too bad. A little bit cleaner back there too. Boom, boom. So now that everything's connected, turn the dryer on. Let's go outside. Check that airflow. All right, let's go. I can't remember what kind of flowers those are. Shoot, I don't know. Whatever, doesn't matter. So, y'all want to check some air flowage? I think it was like mid 900s and something. I can't remember now, but y'all probably will. Nineteen and a half. And change to feet per minute. And it was in the low. I can't remember. No, it definitely wasn't hitting close to 1700. That's good. And last but not least, let's get this off. See, it has a little thing there that pops in. Like so. There we go. Yummy. All right, and if you see little nipple there, goes in here and there. Maybe easier said than done. There she is, folks. A boom, 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 boom. Much better, guys. If you made it this far, I appreciate you more than you know. If you don't mind, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I got to buy a new truck. Oh. And believe me, for that little Ford Transit that I'd buy, look them up. Either way, I appreciate you nonetheless. We will see you on the next installment. Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Clean your dryer vents, folks.